The X Series for fitness and competition. Important to remember that the X Series are the one series of ours that have a displacement bottom shape. Displacement meaning canoe type bow to cut through the water with as little drag as possible. These boards are not truly designed to be planing. Like downwind boards, you catch a bump and you're going from displacement mode to planing mode. That's why all the other boards have a flat bottom. These boards cut through the water at low speed and have less drag. They have low rocker, fairly flat, a little bit of tail rocker, lower contour deck. All of it is to be comfortable at lower speeds basically. Our most popular series last year, they sold well, the X12 and X14. Our team riders did well on it. A bunch of prestigious races were won. In a nutshell, they're designed with glide in mind. 2 lengths available, 12 and 14, and several widths available. These boards are available in a TWC, more economic construction, and the SCC lightweight carbon fiber construction.